Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning more of the most commonly used root words in Filipino in the third part of this series. Keep watching to learn them and surprise locals with words you can form using these words. This time, you can add ma or na in the beginning of the words to form the imperative and the past tense of verbs. The imperative form is commonly used to give orders. Starting with Tulog. This means to sleep or sleep. Tulog. 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 Matulog ka na. Natulog na ako kanina. Matulog ka mamaya. Then, there's Ligo, which means to bathe or to take a bath or shower, or bath or shower. Ligo. 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 Maligo ka sa bahay. Naligo na ako kagabi. Maligo ka muna. Nood. This is to watch in English. Nood. 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 Manood ka ng TV. Nanood ako ng musical. Manood ka ng cartoons. The next ones have something to do with emotions. Galit. This means anger or angry. Galit. 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 Magalit ka sa kanya. Nagalit ako kanina. Magalit ka sa kanila. Lito translates to confused in English. Lito. 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 Baka malito siya. Malilito ka nga. Nalito ako sa kanila. You did quite well. These are just some root words you can use with ma and na to form verbs. Now it's time to practice. To sleep or sleep. Tulog. To take a bath or shower. Ligo. This means to watch. Nood. This means anger or angry. Galit. This means confused. Lito. I hope you find them useful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.